Hey, this is Dan from The Verge. I'm here in New York City where Microsoft just wrapped its fall product showcase press event. They launched a bunch of new stuff here, and two of the things that were announced are right here in front of me. You got the new Surface Pro 6 and a Surface laptop. Now, these look really familiar. Basically, this is the same Surface Pro design that we've seen since like 2015 now, but it does have a new finish, which I'll talk about in a minute. And then we got the Surface laptop, which is basically the exact same hardware design as before. But they are improved in a number of different ways, and mostly it's on the inside. Inside these, you now have quad-core 8th generation processors. The Surface Pro 6 has longer battery life. Microsoft's claiming up to 13.5 hours. And on the Surface laptop, Microsoft is claiming even longer battery life and a lot more power than on the prior generation models. Visually, what you'll see here is that these are now available in a new black finish. This is the Surface Pro 6. It's available in this matte black. It kind of has a different texture than the silver one, but obviously it's black. It's actually really nice. You can see it's not collecting my fingerprints at all, which is something that black computers kind of do really easily. This is really clean. It's actually really well done. Exact same hinge as before. Same thing on the Surface laptop. You got a matte black finish. Now you can tell the difference between these. The Surface laptop is made of aluminum. The Surface Pro 6 is magnesium. So they actually have a little bit different of a finish. The Surface laptop's a little smoother. It's a little maybe almost glossier, but it shows fingerprints a little bit more, unfortunately, as a result. Now, one thing that you'll notice as well that's not available on either machine is USB-C ports. These are the exact same ports that are available on the Surface Pro before, as well as the Surface laptop. So you've got single USB-A port and a mini display port and a headphone jack. Same thing right here on the side of the Surface laptop, Surface Pro, and then you got Microsoft's Surface connector. Now they do sell the adapter that lets you plug into the connector and add a USB-C port, but it costs like 80 bucks. It's kind of silly. It's kind of surprising that Microsoft didn't just put in USB-C port on these. Now both of these are going to be available real soon. You can start pre-orders for them starting today. The Surface Pro 6 has got a new lower price. It starts at $899, it used to be $999, and I believe the Surface laptop is at $999 as well. There's also a ton more other stuff here. There's a new Surface Studio we're going to be checking out. Microsoft just released some new headphones, like really? We're going to check those out as well, so stay tuned for more.